Hey guys, good morning. Have a nice day. This is Basveshwar Kargaonkar and you all are watching my YouTube channel Speak English with BK. Friends, how are you? I hope all of you guys are fine. May I right? Okay. Friends, today we are going to learning very interesting topic. So let's start. Today we'll discuss the word forever. डू यू नो मीनिंग ऑफ फॉरेवर? मित्रांनो, फॉरेवर म्हणजे काय आपणाला माहिती आहे का? फॉरेवर म्हणजे सतत, कायम, अजन्म, अखंडपणे, निरंतर, म्हणजे जन्मल्यापासून मरेपर्यंत असा अर्थ होतो. सो फ्रेंड, वी सी सम एक्झाम्पल्स बाय यूजिंग फॉरेवर. I would like to live with her together forever. I would like to live with her forever. Next example, I would love her forever. म्हणजे मी अजन्म तिच्यावर प्रेम करत राहील. I wanted that moment to last forever. मला तो क्षण कायमस्वरूपी हवा आहे. किंवा पॅरेंटिंग इज फॉरेवर जॉब, म्हणजेच आईवडिलाचं जे कर्तव्य असतं ते अगदी अजन्म करायला लागतं. किंवा आय लाईक दॅट वी लिव्ह टुगेदर फॉरेवर. मला आवडेल आपण एकत्र राहायला अजन्म. ओके, सो आय होप ऑल ऑफ यू गाईज understand the proper meaning of the word forever. Okay, I hope all of you guys understand today's topic very well, and even if there is any type of difficulty, any type of conclusion about this subject or this topic, then please contact me, or you just put your difficulty in comment box. I will try to solve out your difficulty 101%. Okay, so guys, enjoy the day and keep smiling forever. Thanks a lot. Okay, so guys, if you are new in my channel and even if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel. Firstly, you have red color subscribe button. You just press that button and subscribe the channel. You have beside the subscribe button, you have a bell icon. You just press that bell icon. Then you have 4 options. Out of these 4 options, you can select option number 1, that is all option. And then you will get daily updates and notifications of my channel Speak English with BK. Friends,